let's just go right into your camera. Now here's our camera, and I just want to show you the basics of your camera. I'm not gonna get too much into the camera use. I'm just gonna give you some quick tips that people miss out on. So on the top here, you see this icon. If we tap on it, it's live off. What is live? A live picture is like a short video. So every time you guys take a picture, it also takes that really short video. It's just a few frames that it takes, and it's just moving pictures. So if I turn that on, it's gonna automatically be on. Some people like it, others don't. So I'm gonna take a live photo right now. So right here. Okay, so I just moved my phone a little bit so you guys can see what a live picture is. So I'm gonna go into my pictures down here. If I hold my finger on top of this, see how it's moving? So again, I'm gonna hold my finger on top of it, and it's like a short clip that it's showing us. That's a live picture. So a lot of people miss out on that, and iPhones have that. So they're pretty neat. You guys can keep that on, put it off. Depends on what you guys like. Apart from that, down here below, if you guys want to take video, just go into video, and that's how you guys can take a video, just by pressing this button and take your video, okay? So I'm just showing you the basics, not going to get too much into each one of these because there's a ton of options, and you guys can edit your videos, your pictures. There's a lot to it. Up here, you guys will see your flash, so we can turn that off or on. Most of you will like that off all the time because flash pictures, they're not the best. They're not the best. They're slow-mo, play around with it. Time-lapse, that's really cool. Recommend a tripod for that. Photos, there's portrait, which is pretty neat. So again, just play around with that, guys. You will see something really neat happening. And then we have panoramic, where if you guys have, it's just for outdoors. Well, not just for outdoors, but most people use it for outdoors. So to use panoramic, you just move your phone side to side. So I'll do a quick one right now just to show you guys how panoramic works. We're just gonna move our phone. Obviously we would go in a 360 or something like that, but as long as you guys follow that line, you're good to go. So I just took one right now. It's a really short panoramic. So here's my really short panoramic. I'll take another one just to show you what it does. So I'm gonna go. Obviously you don't wanna go too fast. And there we go. So here's my panoramic. Not the best, I know, but what you guys want to do is take a panoramic outside for sure. So we're gonna go back on that. So that's how you guys can take panoramics. Portraits are really good, exactly just for that, portraits. Then we have photos, which is our normal. And then if you guys want to switch from front to back camera, so right now it's in our back camera, right? And we want to choose the front one that we have to take a selfie, for example. Just tap here, and we're switching cameras to our front camera. So this is my front camera, this is my back camera. So that's how you switch from one camera to another. So if I want to take a selfie, it would be using this. I can go ahead like that and use my back camera. So again, I'm gonna switch it out, and that's how you guys can take a selfie right now, just by pressing this, and I'm done. So those are the bare basics when it comes down to your camera. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.